finally iHome, a company that mainly manufactures speakers and clock radios for Apple products. At today's CES, the company announced the new iGV1, an alarm clock radio that integrates the Google Assistant, and a smart device that you might actually want to display in your home for once. iGV1 is not the only smart speaker enabled with LG's Google ThinQ Assistant, as well as Google Home. They are competitors, but the iGV1 may be the prettiest. It's an elegant and clean white case, with a futuristic clock and an alarm screen, and it has a built-in repeat button in case you feel like it. To start the day, you can ask the Google Assistant to turn on the lights or TV, adjust a thermostat, turn on the coffee maker, play music or give a news summary, without leaving the bed. iGV1 also supports several music streaming services, including Google Play Music, Spotify, Pandora, TuneIn, iHeartRadio and YouTube Music, so you should have no trouble playing your favorite songs. The iGV1 is $139.99 and will be available at major retailers in the United States soon, according to the company. It will be on display at CES 2018, which will be held from January 9 to 12. Verify Mashable's full coverage.